Guys, in Neuratech, I want to update you guys on the withdrawal process because some people have been wanting to withdraw, but they've not been able to withdraw because Neuratech is upgrading their withdrawal process. Now, I want to share the communication that I got from one of our team leaders in Neuratech with the Neuratech customer support so that you will see their response. And I believe that anybody in Neuratech that is in communication with the customer support via your back office, okay, so you need to raise ticket in your back office for you to be able to communicate with these people, right? That is the only way you can communicate with them. On their Telegram channel, you cannot communicate with them because it's only one way. They only drop message, so you cannot actually go into their Telegram to chat with anybody. So one of our leaders, his name is Jason, very nice guy. He has been in touch all the time with Neuratech, almost like twice every week, okay? But I don't want to be updating you guys every week based on what is happening because even myself, I am getting the same response from the Neuratech support as Jason is getting. Okay, so it's like it's a message template that they just send to everybody when you ask about the withdrawal. So this is what they responded to him, and I just took a screenshot of this one from the Telegram group. So it says, okay, here is theirs and my response. Hello, as communicated per our previous update, we have recently begun optimizing the withdrawal engine and are in the process of replacing it entirely with a faster, more efficient version to significantly enhance the withdrawal experience. The upgrade is progressing well and we are nearing completion of the core process configuration. However, these components must undergo thorough testing once fully integrated to ensure stability and performance. As stated earlier, this process is expected to take anywhere from several days to a few weeks, depending on technical factors. We sincerely appreciate your patience and understanding. Please note that replacing a critical system engine is a complex and resource-intensive task that requires time and precision. We kindly ask that you remain patient while our specialists work diligently to complete this transaction. And then Jason replied to them and said, that is great news. Please, can you announce this in your Telegram group? I am getting thousands of questions and I feel it is your responsibility to handle this so our partners know what is going on. So what Jason is saying here to the customer support is they should try their best. I mean, Neuratech should try their best to just copy this message or this response and paste it in their Telegram channel so that people like the community can read the latest update instead of the community depending 100% on their team leaders to give them feedback. All right, so that is the latest update in the withdrawal process for anybody wanting to withdraw. The previous video that I did, I updated you guys regarding your cashback, both the one you are making now and the one that has already completed their waiting time. I did updated you guys in that my last video. So please, this video is only for withdrawal updates. It's not for any other update. If you want any other update, go back to my last video before this one to get all the updates. Okay, anything you know that you are struggling to get update from Neuratech, I am always giving you guys updates. So if you are keeping up with my updates on my channel, this is the reason why I said subscribe to my channel, so that when you do subscribe to my channel, you will not miss these updates. Okay, so please make sure, if you are watching this video today and you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, because it will help you to keep up to date with what is going on. Okay, if you don't have time to go to the Telegram channel, which I think they are not even dropping any reasonable updates, you can come to my channel and listen and watch the latest updates regarding where you have invested money. Okay, by purchasing advertising campaign, of course, right? So guys, this is it. If you require any further updates, please head to the Telegram channel and see if there is update there. If there is no update, then please make sure that you contact the customer service via the back office. The only way to do this is to go through the ticketing process. Okay, logging into your account, go to the ticketing process, and then send them message through. That way they will respond. Okay, and then you will get response from them. So whether you are having to ask questions regarding your cashback, regarding your recovered cashback for those that are in the NeuroTech Protect Fund, NeuroTech will definitely get back to you when you go through the ticketing process in your back office. Okay, so that is it. Thank you very much, guys. I will see you in my next video, and God bless.